everybody. Happy Tuesday. I am back. I had a pile of mail today. Super exciting stuff. So, first thing in my mail pile that I'm going to be doing is the March Glossybox. And I've been getting Glossybox on and off for the past 4 or 5 years. It's a really neat box, and one of the things that they're going to be doing that starts on March 18th, subscribers will get premium access on the 18th, and everyone can buy this on the 19th, is the Glossybox egg. And I got one of these last year. It was super cute. They're actually, this year, if you get a golden egg, there's going to be 30 golden eggs. You'll get a Furrio bear worth $299 if you get the golden egg. So I thought that was kind of neat. They've done 2 sneak peeks already. One is the Wander Beauty Moisturizer, which I really want. I'm hoping my box has that. And then they've got a Grande Cosmetics mascara, which is always good to get a mascara. So I pay $58 every 3 months for Glossybox. One of the things I love about Glossybox is the box itself. This is like the nicest, sturdiest box in the business. You get this awesome box, and usually around the holidays they have like an upgraded box, and you always get a really pretty ribbon. Not that the ribbon's anything, but it's kind of like a little nice touch. And then we get a little fold out. This says Pretty Pleasures this month. So I'm going to stick my little flyer up here so I can read it. Then everything's wrapped in nice wrapping paper. So that's always a plus. So I'm just going to dig in to this month. Oh, and we always get, look, we always get the fluff. You know me and my fluff. I have like a bin, and I always save this in case I'm going to give something. But I gotta save the fluffy stuff. So now I'm going to dig in. Okay, first thing, we have the Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. These are nice. I try and use these every couple of months. This one is, single treatment is worth $6.30. Oops, I got no room here. Next up, I see a little container here. This is the Zero Tripeel Acid Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. Okay, that's always nice. Oh, this is nice. I like a balm. I like a good balm. Those are nice. I like anything that cleanses pores too, seriously. The mini is worth $3, so not very much on the mini. Massage into skin with fingertips, melts into an oil, rinse clean. The full size is $22. So we got 2 fairly like little things so far. Let's see if anything gets better in here. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 6 things this month. We've got the what is this? The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I get a lot of these. These are not bad. The mini is $5. Oh, this is grapefruit. That's kind of interesting. I like a good grapefruit product. You know me and my grapefruit, my pineapple, and my bananas. Next up, oh, we get a lip gloss. Okay, so we got a full-size lip gloss. This is an $18 value. It's Sugar and Spice from Cab Cosmetics. Let me see this. Check this out. And I think it's got a scent to it. This is a really, really nude shade, though. Look at this. I mean, this is really light. So it's like a light nude lip gloss. And then 2 more products in here this month. We got the ESPA Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. A hand spray. The mini is worth $10. Bergamot and Jasmine No Rinse Hand Cleanser. I want to try this out. Oh, it smells really good, you guys. Oh, I would totally use this. I love tea tree. I mean, absolutely love it. And this one smells like a really nice tea tree. I like this. This is actually really nice. I think this is my favorite product so far. 60% alcohol content. Not a lot of alcohol. But I really like that tea tree in there. This is nice. And then the last product is like this little teeny weeny thing from Kadali. Is this Kadali? I think so. Check it out. This is the, oh wow, okay, so this is the pricey thing in the box. The Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. It's both effective and natural. This best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. It is patented. Key ingredient is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. So the mini is worth $26. The full size is $79. So we got the mini on here. My only kind of like about this box is I seem to have gotten a lot of minis. However, full size prices on these. This would be 26 plus 18 is like 44. 45, 46, 47, 52. I'm doing a general 55, and then what's the tea tree worth? $10 for the mini. What did I say? 55. Like a $60. I would say this box was $60 value. So I paid what, like 22 for it. So a little bit upgraded. As far as like the product mix, I'm happy we got at least one makeup product in here. That's a good thing. I feel like the Kadali was the high-end item. This feels a little bit like kind of drugstore-ish, as with the Clean at Zero. So not a bad box, not like the best box I've seen from Glossybox, but you know, not the worst by any means. And I really like this eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing hand spray. This is going right in my purse. So anyway, I'm going to keep on with Glossybox. I like showing it to you guys every month. I think it's kind of fun to show new products. Oh, by the way, I did order the new e.l.f. Chipotle. I always say Chipotle. It's Chipotle, I think. I have a weird Ohio accent. I've always said Chipotle. It's actually Chipotle. But anyway, I got that collection from e.l.f. I cannot wait to show you guys that. I'm so excited about it. I have a Yankee candle coming. I've got a lot of stuff coming, too. And then, like I said, Glossybox has got the Easter egg, so I'll probably order that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. I'm actually burning a candle right now. Bye-bye.